If you have the same knowledge, experience, certificates, or degrees, you will not get selected because the other student or other people may have better qualifications, better confidence, more knowledge than you, or more skills than you. So it is important to keep ourselves updated on regular basis. If you want to become a KS or an IS officer, you have to be with the people who are successful IS officers or KS officers because they'll tell you about their journey, how they cracked their examination. So you will do the same things what they have done to achieve their goals or achieve their target. Okay, yeah, and then you will be successful. If you don't follow the fundamentals or basics of any particular field, you will not get the success. So every success, it takes a lot of time and sacrifice and dedication, consistency, hard work, courage, confidence, enthusiasm, energy. Okay, persistence, experimentation, then you're gonna be successful. You will not be successful at the first go. You will fail lot of failures, rejections in your life or disappointments because life is about the challenges or the difficulties, but there is also a green light available for every person in this world. If the person finds that green light, finds that right path or right track, then he will be definitely successful in his or her life. But to achieve that goal, to achieve that target, to see that green line, it takes a lot of time, sacrifice, learnings, teachings, education, patience. Because if you see the successful people today, any famous person in this world, they are not successful from the past 1 day or 2 days or 2 minutes. They are working hard for that particular goal, maybe for 15 to 10 to 20 to 30 years. And right now they are successful. But they have been training for that particular goal or target for so many years or decades. And if success is easy, then there would have been the most successful people in the world. But being successful, it requires lot of things in a person. That's why most of the people, they are not successful or not living a good dream life of theirs. Why? Because to live a dream life, to have a dream car, to go on a dream vacation, you must have the right direction, you must have consistency, you must learn, upgrade yourself, you must solve the problem of other people. Then they will provide you the money or other things that you need. And focus and good habits. If you have the right habits, you will definitely be successful. Maybe it will take you 5 to 10 to 15 years. But if a person has bad habits, he will struggle in his life badly. So, habits do count in one's success in one's life. So, have good habits. If you have the dream of becoming an entrepreneur or a doctor, and your habits are not good as required or needed, then you will not gonna be successful, or it will take you a lot of time to become successful. So we must develop good habits to become successful. It is not Success is not one thing game that you are consistent and then you will be successful. No, it will take a lot of different kinds of things in a person, like consistency, courage, persistence, experimentation, confidence, knowledge, persistence, faith, belief, right timing, right track, patience. It takes a lot of different kinds of things. Becoming successful, it is like a recipe. For an example, if I want to make the tea, so I must have the arrangement for different kinds of ingredients like tea leaves, water, sugar, milk, heat. Okay. Then when I combine all these ingredients properly, then I can make a wonderful cup of tea or coffee or whatever. If I miss any ingredient among these important ingredients, I cannot make one of the best cup of tea or coffee for myself or for any other person. So to become successful, we must need all these different kinds of ingredients. What are the ingredients for success? Confidence, dream, patience, courage, learning, education, experimentation, faith, belief. There are so many different fundamentals for success. Okay, from tomorrow, inshallah, you will provide the knowledge about a particular topic and you will also ask the GK questions to your classmates or colleagues, and every student will be prepared tomorrow for giving or sharing his or her speech. And there will be speeches, there will be GK questions. Okay, so who is ready to ask the GK questions tomorrow? He or she will raise his or her hand right now. Mr. Khalid and Mr. Sahil Singh, you will ask the GK questions. Okay. Then we have Mr. Huzaif. Mr. Huzaif will prepare a topic. Janya Jan will also prepare a topic. Hinal and Hatfi, you both will also prepare a topic. Sirat Manzoor will also prepare a topic. And first, you have to introduce yourself, then you will tell about your topic. Okay? So, Mr. Sahil Singh and Mr. Khalid Yusuf, you will have GK questions to ask to your colleagues or classmates.
Evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have some GK question.
Yes, you will ask some GK questions, but tomorrow, not today.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
You will prepare 10 to 15 to 20 GK questions for tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
First,
Sir, can I ask one GK question?
right now.
Yes, sir. One only.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, what's the second name of Amul tiger?
Amul Tiger? What does that mean, Amul Tiger?
So, Amur, AMUR, Amul tiger.
Amul Tiger.
Yes. Second name of Amul tiger.
I thought this was butter, Amul. Basically, I have purchased butter a few minutes ago and I had the tea a few minutes ago before the class started. Okay, what is the second name of Amul Tiger? Okay, you will answer yourself, Mr. Khalid Yusuf.
Siberian tiger.
Oh, Siberian tiger. Okay, who is more powerful, Bengal tiger or Siberian tiger?
Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger.
Really?
Yes, sir. I have watched their fight.
Yes. How much bite force he has?
Sir, I don't know.
then,
Sir,
then
I
how
haven't
how
heard.
can you say that this tiger is stronger than that tiger?
Sir, because when the Siberian tiger was sitting on the rock, and the Bengal tiger was attacking from the back, but he suddenly stand up and punch him. Sorry, slap the Bengal tiger.
And who was the winner?
Siberian tiger.
Oh,
No,
it
sir,
means
I think Bengal tiger. No, Siberian tiger was the winner.
I think Siberian tiger weighs more than Bengal tiger. He has more weight
Yes,
than Bengal tiger, or more
yes,
muscles.
yes,
More muscles.
yes, yes. Sir, and he is strong. He is
Really?
not. Not Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger.
Okay. Who
With
is your favorite animal? Lion or tiger?
tiger.
Why?
Sir, tiger is more powerful than lion.
Who has told you this?
Sir, because I have little bit studied about that.
But who
That's
is
why.
called the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Okay, basically, lion has more endurance. That means he can take the fight for a longer duration. But the tiger is exhausted or tired after few minutes. But he is very active, and yes, he is also very powerful. But the lion has
Sir, the
more
bite force
endurance.
of the bite force of normal tiger is 1000 psi.
Oh my goodness. Yes, of course. Okay,
Normal
but
tiger of normal tiger.
oh my god. Okay, but we have to
Sir, can
accept.
I ask the second question? Sir, can I have the second question?
I think you students like asking the GK questions, so we should change our English classes into GK questions. What do you think?
Sir, I think both are correct.
I
In one week,
mean,
we should
I,
have the big
I
questions,
mean,
and 1 week,
I mean to say that we will ask the questions in English. In this way, you can also
yes,
learn English.
yes.
But weekly,
Okay, sir.
not on daily basis.
Sir,
Is it good to
MB, GB,
kilobytes?
yes. Sir,
GB,
sir, gigabyte.
TB?
Yeah. Sir, terabyte.
Very good. How
Sir,
many? How many? How many KBs are there
by
in 1 MB? How many KBs are there in 1 MB?
sir, 1024.
Good. How many MBs are in 1 GB?
Sir, I think 1024.
Very good. Okay.